What's the meaning of blindingly? Blindingly. Blindingly.
Blindingly. Blindingly. Blindingly is an adverb that describes the intensity or degree of something that is extremely bright, quick, or overwhelming to the point of causing temporary loss of vision or disorientation. It can also be used to describe an action or decision that is obviously or indisputably correct or effective. The term can be used in both literal and figurative contexts to emphasize the intensity or clarity of something. The word blindingly can be associated with phrases such as blindingly bright, blindingly fast, blindingly obvious, and blindingly successful. Overall, blindingly conveys a sense of overwhelming intensity, clarity, and effectiveness.